Welcome, Inventor users, to another I Get It Tech Tip. In this series, we'll be looking at 120 Autodesk Inventor tips. Number 11. Auto Dimension. The Auto Dimension tool allows you to quickly add dimensional constraints to your sketch geometry to help you create a fully constrained sketch. First off, it's recommended that we place locating dimensions for our sketch. In this case, we'll place 2 dimensions to locate it within the graphics window and relative to our coordinate system. Next, on the ribbon, on the Constraint tab, we'll select Auto Dimension. In the graphics window, we can select specific curves that we want to create dimensions to, and we'll select Apply. Notice just the ones that we selected had dimensional constraints applied to them. At this point, we could exit the command and edit any of these dimensions as we require. If you don't select anything in the graphics window and select Apply, dimensional constraints will be applied to the entire sketch to make a fully constrained sketch. And that's it. I hope to see you in another Inventor Tech Tip.